Okay, final score 88-40. Nag-warp? Nag-warp? Sa init? Okay, final score 88-40. Winner by 48 points, Team Oryx. Win number 1, taken out by Team Oryx.
Right, 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Okay, Nagatomo-san. Nagatomo. And Melvin. Nagatomo-san, okay. Meron na, bago. Ano na?
Go back.
Wait, there's an interview after. Okay. Defensive player is Mr. Nagatomo and Melvin is the best player of the game.
Alright.
Okay. Wait, we have an interview. Okay, Mr. Nagatomo-san, congratulations and also for winning the ball game. Also, Mr. Melvin also, congratulations. I think so, sir. What happened last week is already distant. You moved on already, and now I think you made a statement right now that Oryx now is back in the business, right?
We have the kind advantage.
Yes, correct. Okay. Okay.
And, we have a lot of guards today.
Okay, good. Yeah,
So
it's
we did the advantage. Ligaya, one of the best defensive, a lot of intercept from his side. So I believe more than 30.
Okay, Mr. Nagatomo-san. Okay, any words, sir? Okay, so you have the best ball game.
Well, keep defending. Defending makes the rhythm, so let's keep on defending.
Okay.
I'm sure that our team is not good at shooting, but I'm sure we can create the game from defense.
And what to expect of the following games of Oryx after this?
Well,
I
trying
think
to.
you adjusted already. Little
Right.
by little, you're going to start to become familiar to each other. Yes.
Right. I think our weak parts like shooting, keep our free throws, taking that. But other than that, we have the height advantage.
Yes.
So we can keep winning and keep on defending. That's it.
Okay, sir. Okay, give me one minute to shout out everybody, your loved ones, your friends, and everything.
What's that?
Shout out everybody. Greet your friends, your
My friend.
friends.
My friends that I shout to my friends.
Oh, yeah. Shout out, greet them. Your family, your friends. You can greet now. Personal greetings.
I don't know.
In your language also, no problem.
Okay. No idea. Just.
Okay, greet them. Your friends, your family, your friends, your parents.
Alright. Ohayou gozaimasu.
Okay.
Arigatou gozaimashita. Thank you everyone.
Okay, that's Mr. Nagatomo along with Mr. Melvin. Congratulations. Thank you po. Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, thank you po. Thank you very much. See you. Thank you very much.